Welcome to our channel. Today we how to authorize OAuth for Jira with Google Workspace, beginner guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Google Workspace admin console. Navigate to the security section in the admin console. Select API controls from the security menu. Click on the Manage Domain-Wide Delegation option. Locate the Add New button and click on it. In the Client ID field, enter the Jira OAuth client ID you obtained earlier. Under OAuth scopes, enter the required scopes for Jira integration. These typically include scopes like email, profile, and others specific to your needs. Once you've filled in the necessary information, click the Authorize button. Next, log in to your Atlassian Jira account. Go to the Jira settings and navigate to Applications. Select OAuth under the Application Links section. Choose to create a new application link. In the URL field, enter the callback URL provided by Google Workspace. Provide a name for the application link, such as Google Workspace Integration. Select Create New Link to proceed. After creating the link, you will receive a set of consumer key and shared secret. Copy these values and return to the Google Workspace admin console. Navigate back to the API Controls section. Now, you need to configure the OAuth consent screen. Fill in the necessary details, including application name and support email. Provide scopes that your application will request access to. Save the changes to finalize the consent screen setup. Return to your Jira application link settings. Paste the consumer key into the corresponding field. Input the shared secret in the appropriate section. Make sure to save all changes in Jira. To ensure proper integration, perform a test by attempting to log in through Google Workspace on Jira. If everything is set up correctly, you should be able to access Jira using your Google Workspace credentials. Congratulations, you've successfully authorized OAuth for Jira with Google Workspace. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.